Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick install and review of the Arpha D24 dual dash cam. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so for this one, let's check the box first. So for this packaging, very good packaging. So it says here it's a 4K on the main camera and 1080p on the secondary camera. So it has a 3-inch touchscreen, app enabled, so you can control it through your app, download your stuff through the app directly. It has a built-in GPS and a voice control. And what else do we have here? Nothing. So Arpha in your life, it says in there. All right, so let's check the box or what's inside. So we have the main unit, I believe, in here. So it says Wi-Fi, 4K, and GPS. So don't forget to remove the lens cover. So the touchscreen has a big screen in here. So let's remove that. All right. So yeah, so let's check the rest. So you have some pry tool. We have some clip holders or cable hold clips. So it comes with the own power adapter. Got the base in here. So what else? So we have the main base, and this will snap in here. So I think we just need to slide this in here. There you go. Just snap it in place, and then it says open and close. Probably in this one. So to adjust it, again, it's a ball type adjustment, and then double-sided tape, adhesive when you stick it in your car. And then for this is the secondary camera. So pretty long wire in here. So if you're gonna run this one to the back and stick this somewhere and just run it through your just run it on your pillars in your roof. So this is a long cable, power cable. So it's a USB type C cable, and this one USB type C, very long cable. So they also include some static film, basically when you're sticking it in your windshield so that it doesn't directly stick on the glass. So you use this film, extra adhesive. So one small one for the small camera at the back, then the bigger one to the main camera. So user manual. So I'll show you on the app in a moment. So yeah, so I'm thinking, let me see where I'm gonna install this. I'm thinking of installing it on the RAV4, but there's a lot of dash cam on the RAV4 already. I'll try, probably I'll put it on the 4Runner, but let's see. All right, let's go. And also I forgot to mention, includes a 64 gig micro SD card. So yeah, so that's good. So power button on the side, USB slot or USB port on the top, and then the rear camera in here. All right, so again, let's go. All right, so I already wiped this with a cloth, and now we're just gonna stick the film. All right, so the USB cable, we'll plug it in here. Then we're gonna put it here on the headliner, in between, basically. And then it's gonna go to the A pillar, goes down, all right? And then from there, we're gonna work on putting it under the, we're gonna try to stick it on the glove compartment. And then we're gonna plug it on one of the USB. I hope that has some power on it, enough power to power the dash cam. If not, we have some USB in here that we can plug it into. All right, this cable's a little thick than the others. So actually we're just gonna temporarily put it in there. Let's check the power, if it powers on. It did power on. Good. So there you go. Yep, it is disconnected. I don't know which time. Let's set it up now. There you go. Date. So just click it. It goes. Or you can swipe it. That's good. What this is this date? May what? Day of recording is May 27.
I can't help you with that.
I know, Siri. And what time is it? It's 2:05 p.m. So 15:05. All right. So there you go. We did successfully place it in there. So yeah, so we can angle this a little bit in there, but yeah, so it shows the password. I don't really care about that. Oh, I think I messed up with the time, whatever. Okay, yeah, so looking at this one, it looks good. The screen that they gave you on this one is good, so we will see later. I'll complete the wiring and then I'll install the rear camera and we'll do some test drive. All right, so time to wire this in. So it says here there's a warning. It says that do not plug it in when the main camera is on. So make sure when you plug this in, there's no power on the main camera. All right, so for this, basically we're gonna go the same route. We're gonna go to the headliner and then we're gonna go to the A pillar in here, but instead of going down, we're gonna go up to this weather strip and then we're gonna go here. Basically we're gonna go through the pillars up to the back, basically. All right, if you see there, I have a dash cam in there. That's an actual front dash cam that I just stick in there because I don't have a dual camera setup on the FitCam X that I have. So yeah, so for this one, basically that one is a dual cam, so it's recording the inside of the car also with that particular setup. But with this one, we have a proper dual dashcam setup. So yeah, so again, we're just gonna wire this. All right, so as you see here, basically with the wire that goes there to the C pillar, still need to clean it up where it goes, and then we're just gonna run it over here up to here, and then what I'm gonna do is I will install this because I have this dash cam in here. With this will be installed in here basically. So for the Forerunner, I can put it in here. And then I'm just gonna clean up the wires on a later date. But again, that's the setup that I'm gonna do on this one for now. And then we're gonna do some testing. I'm gonna show you some daylight videos and night shots to see how clear this is. All right, so we're going to download the app. So search for Arpha Vision on your app store or scan the QR code on your user manual. So I downloaded this one out before, that's why it's in the cloud. So let's just re-download it right now and wait for it. And as you can see here, it has the SSID and the password if it can be viewed there, but it's there. So let's open the app, and if you need the password, it's on the screen. So there you go, connect. Join. I'm not even reading it, but yeah, so it's there. Yeah, so for this, you can start and stop the video recording. And then if you want your audio to be recorded while driving, you can turn that off or turn it on. Then you can change the resolution. So you got the 4K, basically we got 440p, and then 1080p on both cameras. The rear camera is always 1080p, so we're just gonna keep it as is. Display mode is, we have the option of front camera, then we have rear camera only, and then we have front camera on the big screen, and then front camera on the small screen. It is very responsive on how, yeah, on once you click it, it's very responsive. So this is not supported. And then we got the dashcam album, basically with the recorded stuff in here. So yeah, so it has some recordings. So yeah, so I'll show you in a bit on the sample videos on this one. Also, this is it has a voice command also, so the commands are on the user manual. So if you want to do that, so let's just do a little sample right now. So we're done with the app, so let's try the voice command on this one. Turn off display, open screen, show front camera, turn off recording, open recording, take picture. I like it. So it has that voice command, so that is awesome. So yeah, so it has the list here. So if you want to check on that, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Also, I'm giving away 1 unit of this dash cam, of the Arpha D24 dash cam. So once we reach 2,500 subscribers, I will choose a random subscriber to win this. All right, so again, free shipping, US only. So unfortunately, so USA only, US subscribers only. All right, so if you want to join, just comment down below hashtag FG2500. All right, again, that's FG2500. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. So let me show you the sample videos. All right. All right, so there you have it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please consider subscribing. If you want to purchase this dash cam, I'll put the link in the description below. And also, if you want to join the giveaway for this dash cam, just comment below hashtag FG2500. Again, that's hashtag FG2500. All right. So again, it's only open for US residents only. All right. Again, thank you for watching.